It's the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. So after my grocery haul, it's time now to restock my cabinets. I live in an older home and I do not have a pantry, so my storage space is quite limited, which means I don't overbuy and I don't overspend. I buy enough for the space that I have. These storage containers that I purchased from Wal-Mart a couple of years ago were a great investment. To make sure that I am using everything I buy before it expires, I simply cut from whatever container I'm pouring out of. I cut the expiration date and I fix it to my container with Scotch tape. It works for me. If you are new here, I invite you to join my growing YouTube family. On my channel, I love sharing inspiration all around the home, which includes home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. Now, to become part of the family, it's quite simple. First of all, it's free. Simply give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscription and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. I'd love to have you as part of my family. So this label tells me this penne will expire in March of this year. So don't worry, I have a penne recipe coming real soon. And just like that, I'm ready to place my items in my cabinet. Everything nice and neat, organized, and I know when everything expires. When transferring my food from the original container to my storage containers, if I find it's something that I cannot cut, I simply make my own label with paper and pen. If these tips or tricks are helpful for you or someone you know, then let me know down in the comments below. And if you know all of this already, then girl, just say hey, and I'll say hey back. So on to the next cabinet. My family and I, we generally eat or cook fresh fruits and vegetables. So we only purchase a small amount of canned goods. Okay, listen closely because I have a special announcement. You know, I'm still striving to reach 1,000 subscribers and beyond. So we're close, we're getting there, and I hope that it comes soon because you know, there's a giveaway, a 1K giveaway. I want to give to 3 of my loyal subscribers. 3, you heard me, 3 $50 Visa gift cards. So if you know someone who doesn't know about the Priceless Pearl Life, tell them today. Come on, join. You might win, and they just might win as well. Because after all, it's 3 lucky winners. To be eligible, you must be an active subscriber, you must be 18 or older, and you must live in the USA. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel for today's video. There is so much that goes into cleaning and deep cleaning and decluttering an entire house. I decided to break it down into smaller pieces or smaller bites, if you will. So each day I have a schedule. Do this, do that, and eventually all of it will be done. I certainly hope that today's video inspires you and motivates you to get into those cabinets or get into your pantry and restock, reorganize, clean, and disinfect. But it would not be right if I close this video out without saying to my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.